Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salmon easy. First, let's get our salmon ready. Pat your salmon fillets completely dry with paper towels. This is key for that perfect crispy skin. Next, season both sides generously with salt, black pepper, and any herbs you love like dill or parsley. Finally, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's hot and ready for cooking. Now let's get cooking. For a fantastic crispy skin, we'll start with pan searing. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in an oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place your salmon fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan. Sear them for about 3 to 4 minutes until the skin is beautifully golden and crisp. Then, flip the salmon and immediately transfer the entire skillet to your preheated oven. Once in the oven, your salmon will continue to cook to perfection. Bake it for approximately 8 to 12 minutes. The exact time depends on the thickness of your fillets. Thicker pieces will need a bit longer. To ensure it's done, the internal temperature should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll know it's ready when the salmon flakes easily with a fork, revealing a tender, juicy interior. Almost there. Once your salmon is cooked, remove it from the oven and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute, keeping your salmon incredibly moist and flavorful. Garnish your beautiful fillets with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of chopped fresh parsley for a burst of color and taste. Serve this delicious, easy salmon with roasted vegetables or a crisp, light green salad for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.